I'd like you to try solving 2x equals 12. You remember how to do that?
Isn't this kind of just like the division? Would it
Okay,
be like 6?
x equals 6, good. All right, like that.
Yeah.
How about something like this? 4 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3.
If the smaller number, it's gonna be like negative, right? If I recall.
There are some rules there. There's no judgment here. This is just me just kind of seeing where we're at. So just you do your best you can to work something out like this for me.
All right, real quick. Wouldn't the first one, like 4 minus 5, wouldn't that be -1?
Yes.
Okay. -1. Shouldn't it be 4?
The whole thing.
Yeah.
All right. So let me just show you this one here. This one's -1, and then you bring the other ones down.
Oh wait, I didn't see the minus. I did not see the minus.
The -1, -2. What might that become? And it's okay if you don't know. You can just, hey, Matthew, I don't know. I don't remember. I'm tired.
Wait. So -1, and then you do minus plus or 2 plus 3. So that'd be
You,
-1
you
minus
want to do
5, right?
you want to work it left to right, just like we read. And so
Yeah.
you want to do this -1 minus. That's what I'm trying to show you here with this mark is to, hey, do that part first,
So
then we'll add 3 to the result.
so it's mainly just -1 minus 5, correct?
No.
Or no?
So yeah, I'm trying to get you to just focus in on this part in the box here. -1,
Okay.
-2.
Okay. Um, that would be that'd be 1, right? Wait, no, minus.
Let's move past this a little bit here. Let's
My
try
brain is not working.
that's okay. I'm just trying to gauge where you're at. Because like I said, you probably haven't done math in a while. I want you to try solving this for me, please, by any method.
So x equals 3, correct? And then -1 would be
Yeah.
11.
Yeah, x does equals 3. Now, did you do that? Did you solve this by just checking numbers, or did you manipulate the equation?
What do you mean by manipulate?
Okay, so yeah, good question. So what I mean is the path to get there is to add 1 to both sides.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bring down the 4x, divide by
Ah,
4, divide by 4, x equals 3.
yeah, I just picked 3 because 3 times
That's
4
fine. That's
equals
fine.
12.
So I'm gonna throw an SAT style question in front of you. That might sound horrible, but I'm gonna see if the multiple choice, because that's what you kind of did there. You kind of alluded to the fact that the multiple choice is pretty helpful here.
Am I supposed to solve this?
Yes.
All right. Is n -11?
Now, did you just try the answers or did you try solving it to get the answer?
I just know that 2 times -11 would be -22.
Right, good enough. Okay. How about something like this?
Yeah.
Write 30% as a decimal.
Would it be 0.3?
It is.
All right.
what would 4% be as a decimal?
4%. P point or 0.04.
Good. All right, that's good. Okay. Now you typically, I'll get to that in a moment here. Let's look at this problem. All right, is this angle acute, obtuse, or right or straight?
If I'm correct, it would be acute, but sometimes they say it's obtuse.
So the difference between acute and obtuse, we'll just emphasize there. So we'll actually start with a 90-degree angle.
Yeah.
That's a right angle.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's bent in,
That's
that's
acute.
acute. If it's sort of bent out,
Yeah.
that's obtuse. And a straight angle is literally a line.
Yeah.
So you'll see
Mm-hmm.
that in geometry, but you will not probably have much of that in algebra. Now, are you typically allowed to use a calculator in your math courses? Do you remember, did you remember relying
Yeah,
on
yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah. Sometimes, yeah.
Okay, does it help you to have a calculator while you're working math?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, I have no problem, no issue with you using a calculator. I do not recommend using your phone.
All right, got it,
I'll
got it.
throw one in the chat here. Why do I always do that?
It's like
I'll th-
chat.
yeah, so I just dropped something in the chat. If you think you need a calculator, I
All
recommend
right.
using something like this or using kind of a handheld one. But yeah, just take a look at this problem. See if you can make any sense of it.
All right, give me a moment. Hmm. I'm a little bit stumped.
That's
All
okay.
right.
So 20% is 0.2. Okay.
Right.
All right. Now, when you take 8 and multiply by 0.2, can you tell me what that becomes?
0.2.
You're allowed to use a calculator if you would like.
1.6.
Okay. Now, when it's a discount, does that make price go up or down?
Down.
Okay, so down is what math operation typically? So here are your 4 options: add, subtract, multiply, divide.
And I gotta use, hold on,
Like what?
1.6.
Yes, but what, like it goes down. So which of
It
these
goes down
operations?
from a number. So it's either, is it division?
Division, okay, that's one of the possibilities for it to go down. Subtraction's the other one.
I think it's division, personally,
So it,
but
it is unfortunately subtraction,
it
like the
is.
discount, the
Uh,
percentage is the division, but when you get the number that you're actually removing, you
okay,
subtract.
okay. Okay, give me a moment.
So it would be 6.4.
It
All right,
would.
let's
Oh,
so let's go back to some number. That's what I call number sense here. Just kind of things that would only help here going into the course. But this is 8 divided by 9, or 8/9 divided by 2/3. So do you remember how to divide fractions?
ah, not really. But
Okay. So maybe we'll create a short lesson out of this here. So you never divide, you end up multiplying by what's called the reciprocal. So what I've written here on the right is called the reciprocal. Can you tell me in your own words how the line up here compares to this down here? Like what's different about it?
I don't really see a difference. I mean, the only difference is the numbers being swapped.
That's exactly right. So you
Oh, I
flip the
see, I
top
see.
and the bottom, okay?
Okay.
Now, when you multiply fractions, you multiply the tops and you multiply the bottoms.
Oh, and then that's your answer?
Well, kind of. It's not reduced. So do you remember how to reduce something like this?
I do not.
Okay, that's fair. All right. I'm just looking for some more stuff that we can do here. Um, you remember anything from math this year that you did like, that you thought you did understand, that you felt was interesting or anything like that?
Kind of have a hard time because I don't remember much,
Okay. I mean,
unfortunately.
so there's a lot of stress and anxiety around tests
Yeah.
and okay, understood. All right. Let's try something here different. Let's say A equals 2
Got it.
and B equals 3 and C equals 1 and I ask you to do A plus B plus C.
So it would just be 5 plus 1.
Yes.
So that
Good.
would be 6.
Okay, good. All right, that's good. So let's say A is -1, B is -2, and C is 4. What is A plus B in this case?
That would be -3.
Okay. And then if I put a C in front, what would that become?
That would just be 1.
So it's 4 times
Oh,
-1 plus
times.
-2. That means times there, yeah.
Okay, okay. 4 times. I don't remember how you could or how to multiply the negatives.
What about this 4 times 3? What does that become?
4 times 3 that's 12.
12. Okay. All right. So yeah, there's a few rules here. That's fine. That's fine. Let's try something else here. Um, how does 1/3 compare to 30%? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to?
1/3 would be bigger
How do you
because
know? Like,
less space because it's just the max number is 3.
okay, like this is the correct answer, but the Y is very, very, off here. So that's okay though. Let's just keep kind of going through it here.
I
Okay,
understand how it works. I just don't know how to explain it.
that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. So the perimeter of a box is 2x plus 2y. All right, and let's say we know that the perimeter is 40. And we know that one of the lengths is 5. Okay. What is the other length?
Uh, do I have to use anything to figure this out or no?
I'm trying to be I'm giving you as much as I can without like giving you the answer. Um,
Okay,
but
okay.
it's okay. We're just kind of I'm giving you, this is a visual problem. Um, I've given you some numerical problems, some variable problems, just trying to gauge where you're at.
I'm sorry to say this, but yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so this other side is 5.
Yeah.
You've seen boxes before, the sides are the same. So
Well,
how much of
I thought we were trying to figure out the top.
we are,
Okay,
but
okay.
we need to know the other side as well. So what do these two sides add up to?
10.
So how much of the perimeter is remaining?
Hold on. 5, 20. Wait, no,
5 and 5 is 10. Subtract from
10.
40 is 30.
Yeah, I mean, sorry, 30.
So 30 is left over, and it's divided between the top and the
Oh,
bottom.
15. 15.
15. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a similar problem here. Make numbers a little bit more difficult. Let's say the perimeter is 64 and this side is 18. I want you to find the other side.
Other side would be. What is it? Okay. Well, I'm writing it down. Times 2. Okay, it's 36. So the other side is 18, obviously. Wait, what am I doing? I just forgot.
Take your time. There's no
18
rush.
plus
We're just
18, 36, and then.
so did you put 18 over here on the other side?
Yeah, I did. And then that
Okay.
is 36, right?
So how much is left over from the perimeter?
That's what I'm figuring out.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah, and you're welcome to use a calculator.
can I just wait, hold on.
So let me help here.
36.
There's 28 that's left over.
Okay.
So that's divided among the top and the bottom.
So 14.
Yes.
Okay.
Give me some feedback because I mean,
I was just
are
trying to
you
figure out how the number itself. So 28.
okay? And again, you can use a calculator. Like, don't feel
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
hey, you
That's
can't
what I
do
was
that
trying to
because
do. That's what I was trying to do.
it's not about like that. That's a different issue. We just want to be able to work through some numbers. Let's try one more here. Let's say the perimeter is 120 and the left side here is 25. And I want you to find the other side here.
Yeah. Other side would be 25, of course, right?
Okay. Yep.
That's
Keep
50
going.
right there. And then 50. It's the other side. And hold on. It's 35.
There's 35. Good. All right. So the try it out lesson is about 30 minutes. I didn't mention that we're going to stop, here in the next minute or so.
Okay.
Just give me some feedback. What do you think went well, didn't go well today?